Okay, that's 12.778, 12.8. I was getting 12.84, but that's still within acceptable. The battery is rated at 800. Okay, let's do cranking in first. 1000. I was getting 905, but 863 is still acceptable. Um, Core cranking amps. 800. 719, which is still okay. I think the battery thing is dropping on its own though, so I was getting 850. But okay, I'm back. I have it hooked up like that. Okay, this wire goes to this one. The green wire goes to the negative cable, and the red one goes to the right part of the multimeter. And then I have my leads hooked up like this. Now I'm gonna turn it on. It's reading 0.0. I have it turned up to the amp, and this one, focus. Come on, focus. Okay, there we go. Still reading 0.0. Everything is still hooked up like it should be. Now, just to test to make sure that the voltage is working, I'm gonna switch this around and just turn it on to volts. It's reading the same voltage as this one. 12.75, 12.73. I know there's some losses from over here, but you get that they're still the same. I'm getting the same voltage, so that's that. Okay, I have it switched back now. Turn it back on. Still getting that. Now I'm gonna attempt to trigger a voltage drop, or to just trigger something to change the reading on that. Now I'm gonna go open the door and see if it's gonna make any change. Okay, I'm gonna open the door. Nothing changed, not even the voltage changed. I've done this like a million times already. So there we have it. I don't know.